In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TikTok Shop history. We'll walk through where to find the settings inside TikTok Shop and what each option does, so you can clean things up safely and confidently. Start by opening the TikTok app and going to the Shop section. Tap the Shop icon on the home screen to open the Shop hub. From there, open My Account, then head into Account Settings. This is where TikTok keeps most of the controls related to your shop profile and its data. If your shop is fully registered, you should see an option labeled Close Shop Account. Selecting this begins the closure process for your shop. Follow the on-screen confirmations. Closing the shop will remove your shop profile and its related history from the shop experience. If you don't see this option, it usually means your account isn't registered as a shop yet, so the control won't appear. On eligible accounts, simply confirm the closure when prompted and your shop history will be deleted as part of that process. Before you proceed, make sure you have resolved any ongoing orders or issues, since closure is intended to be final. There's also a temporary way to step back without closing anything. In account settings, look for vacation mode or holiday mode and toggle it on. This pauses your shop's activity and visibility while you take a break. It doesn't erase data, but it keeps the shop out of circulation for a while, which can be helpful if you're not ready to close the account. Next, go to Account Health. Here you can review your records, including shop health, violation records, and any warnings. Take a moment to read through each item. If you see a violation, fix the underlying issue first, such as updating product details or resolving customer concerns. Once everything is settled, use the available options to clear the history that can be cleared. The goal is to make sure your account is in good standing before you remove past records, so you're not hiding problems that still need attention. That's the process. Open the Shop hub, go to My Account, enter Account Settings, close the shop if you want your history removed, or turn on vacation mode to pause activity and review account health to tidy up any records. Follow these steps carefully and you'll keep your TikTok shop clean and under control.